Solana might decline 3% tomorrow, crypto predictions indicates. First, let's take a closer look at today's market behavior. Solana has weakened by 3% since yesterday and is now holding around $85.76. Let's see what the analysts predict today. By April 20, crypto predictions sees the price at $83.16, reflecting a drop of about 3%. Solana is expected to move higher to $85.92 according to coin price forecast, a gain near 0.2%. According to CoinLore, the price could be on track for $86.50, a gain estimated at 0.9%. Another estimate by Digital Coin Price shows Solana might climb to $87.69, a gain close to 2.2%. To conclude, Gov Capital Collector projects the price to hit $91.44 by tomorrow, a gain of 6.6%. This is the top return forecast we've seen. That's all for the forecasts. Let's check what's next in the data. Let's sum up what all 5 analysts expect based on their forecasts. Based on the forecasts we've just reviewed, the potential swing in price may be from a decrease of 3% to a rise of 6.6%, depending on the analyst. It appears Gov Capital Collector ends up with the highest projected return with 6.6% gain in value by tomorrow. So it turns out you could make between $2 and $66 for every $1,000 you invest. From the volatility analysis, coin price forecast comes out on top with a 91.1% chance of success. By merging all 5 forecasts, I've established a single consensus view. Consensus insights show Solana rising toward $86.94, an increase of around 1.4%. Here are the details. The consensus average implies a 1.4% increase by tomorrow. To summarize clearly, your capital might also go up by around 1.4% if the trend follows through. In terms of 1,000, the projection might equal $14 in potential gain. According to the consensus view, the scenario has an 84.9% likelihood of taking shape. This time, let's see how analysts outline the likely path of the market for the next 3 days. Crypto predictions points to further downside potential. Coin price forecast emphasizes that the short-term picture is tilted higher. The direction similarly called out by CoinLore is toward higher levels. Digital Coin Price believes volatility will stay muted, keeping Solana relatively unchanged. For the next few days, Gov Capital Collector expects Solana to strengthen. The consensus outlook shows Solana remaining flat across this 3-day horizon. In conclusion, the majority view highlights a bullish short-term outlook for Solana. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Now we'll see how close they came. As a result, the price eventually moved to $86.15. 3 of 5 forecasts were right about the move. Looking strictly at accuracy, cryptonization turned out most accurate. Let's zoom in on the individual results. A total of 2 forecasts fit neatly into the daily candle. Looking at ROI, some analysts managed to post gains, with cryptonization performing best overall. Here's the results table. A clear look at how things turned out. From the table, Traders Union reached 1.1% ROI and accuracy. Take a moment. Who do you think made the most accurate forecast? Now we'll compare the forecasted returns for tomorrow between Solana and a few other cryptos. Solana takes second position among all forecasts, as PEEP holds the strongest outlook with 2.6%. Here we're looking at Solana next to 4 random cryptocurrencies, a wider profitability comparison. Together with analyst accuracy stats, will be added to my website and Telegram channel. If this summary saved you time today, give it a like and subscribe to get more analyst reviews here. See you in the next data drop.